everybody, it's Liz. So this weekend, I was pleasantly surprised with a bunch of new subscribers, and I am close to 300 subscribers. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but when I started this whole journey, I honestly thought I would be talking to myself. So if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate all your comments, all your likes, everything. And if you've been with me kind of from the beginning, thank you so much for staying and watching and, like I said, commenting. And I am just honestly blown away. So I thought I would do a little 300 subscriber giveaway. I am at like 280 right now, so just 20 more to go. So if I can get 20 more subscribers in these next couple of weeks, I am going to give away a couple of Christmas things. One of my Christmas kits, and also my Christmas gift tag folio. So I'm going to run through these and show you what is in store. So let me grab a cup of coffee. And hopefully the cats are going to contain themselves this morning. I do have the door ajar for Leonidas because I know when he hears, so I have bells hanging on my door, like jingle bells, and they're there all the time. And anyway, that's how I know he's at the door, because he bangs his head on the door and the jingle bells jingle. It's kind of humorous. So I have it open, so if you hear the jingle bells, that's what that is. Anyway, let's get into what you will get if you win. So first up is this little candy cane folio, and it's just held together by this ribbon, which you can use to either tie a package or, you know, whatever, use in your junk journals. So then it opens up like this, and I have my handmade tags in here, and these happen to have a to and from on the back of them. So there's that one, and there's two in each little tuck here. So then we have a Santa, and we have a little gingerbread bakery. And like I said, these all have a to and from on the back of them, but you totally could cover them up and use them in a journal as well. So then we have this little tuck in here. And we have a little Christmas wishes and some snow. So that gets maybe tucked back in there. So there we go. Tucked back in there. And then we have a Santa with a little stocking, and we have a little girl with a snowflake. And oh, that one got missed. I'm gonna leave that one out and put a little to from on there, so that gets tucked in there. And then we have these two, which I thought were so cute. So this one says jingle, and this little Nomi say Noel. This one has a star, and this one has a gingerbread. And then the last pocket here is a Merry Christmas and a Santa. And I'm making sure they all say to and from on the back. So yeah, so there is that, and I will leave that aside. You know what? I'm going to do this right now because it's literally right to the right-hand side of me. And that way there, I won't forget it. So let's see if I can do this on camera, and it will come out perfection. So let me get that put aside. I'm still doing a bunch of these for the shop. Where did she come from? In here. So let's just tuck her back in and tuck her little charm back in. So there's number one for the giveaway. And then number two is you will receive this little Christmas kit. I guess they're embellishments, little junk journal kit that I put together. So you will receive And these are also in the shop as well. So I have 2 more available in the shop. So you will receive a little goodie packet with some jingle bells and some tags in here, and another little tag with a charm. And that is an altered paper clip, which we did on camera. So you'll receive one of those. And I may tuck some extra things in here as a surprise. So we'll see. I left it open for that reason. I may tuck a couple more things in here. And then you just have a little tag. This one happens to be a gingerbread bakery tag. And then you have a packet of green and red. I'm hoping that's not glaring. You have green and red velvet ribbon, and you have a red and green and gold ribbon, and then some baker's twine and some cute little regular sticky bows, and then you have a bag of charms. So then we'll get into the ephemera, or like pieces of this kit. So I just have a little corrugated cardboard that you can use. I have 4 napkins that you can use in your journal, and then I have an altered playing card and a Santa, and we have a couple of envelopes, and we have some postcards. So this is a vintage one. This is 1994, not super duper vintage, but 1994, and it got a little cat for Leonidas and Penelope. And then this one is really cool. You can glue it on like this, and it flips down. So I thought that that would make a pretty good flip. And then you just have some red and green and white construction paper, and then we have a little vellum piece here. And then we have a holographic, and then you just have vintage wrapping paper. So that is what is in that, and that is what you will receive. And like I said, I may tuck some extra goodies in there as a surprise. My wheels are turning at what I can put in this kit. So that is what I am doing for my 300 subscriber giveaway. And I hope, oh, and there's more. So I forgot these. So then you'll just receive some construction paper and some digitals. And this is actually more digitals, and a like snow. And then this one is gingerbread, and then more gingerbread, and then another tree. So that is the other little goodies. Oh, and a plaid. So you'll receive those to make a little journal. And like I said, I may tuck some extra goodies in there. So yeah, so that is my little giveaway. So let's get to the rules. I'm going to leave these here so you can look at them. So the rules: you have to be a subscriber, number 1. You have to like this video, please like, and just leave me a little comment, a little hi, a little heart, something in the comment so that I know you actually kind of watched the video. And yeah, so that's it. So just a subscriber, a comment, and like I said, it can be a heart, anything. And then just like this video, and I will get to it. And I guess, so today is the 3rd, so I will close this on the 12th. So I will give you until the 12th, and then we will draw kind of the night of the 12th, around, I'm not sure yet. I'll let you know what time I'm gonna do the drawing, but definitely through the 12th, so probably the night of the 12th. Anyway, that's it. That's my video today. I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video.